Meaning of escalate.
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 Escalate. Escalate means to increase in intensity, magnitude, or scope. It can refer to a situation becoming more serious or a conflict becoming more heated. When something escalates, the result is often a heightened sense of urgency and tension. Efforts to resolve the situation may become more aggressive or larger in scale. If left unchecked, the situation can escalate further, potentially resulting in negative consequences. It is important to address escalating situations early on to prevent them from causing harm.